This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Pam Ehrman. Great Neck address in the Cox High School District. This home should make your favorite HGTV show beautiful renovation with all the features you want in your next home. Luxury vinyl plank and weathered gray remind you that you live in a beach community. Bright white shaker cabinets with stainless accent and brand new stainless appliances. Open spacious floor plan puts your formal and casual living, stunning kitchen, and separate dining room all in view from the front door at the same time. Each has just enough room definition to provide designated space for any of your family's entertaining plans. Large backyard and enclosed patio areas, huge utility room with laundry sink and oversized 2-car garage with extra space allotted for a good-sized workshop.